Hey everyone, I'm here to show you the power of the testing portal within CloseBot. So first of all, CloseBot connects to HubSpot, HighLevel, and other CRMs to allow you to automate lead qualification and booking. This is extremely valuable for businesses that have sales that come in the middle of the night or more sales than a human team can handle. But one recurring issue we see with businesses and agencies is the ability to change things and test them without that affecting the AI that you have in production. We're super proud of the testing portal we have in CloseBot and its ability to allow you to test things to the point where you feel comfortable with how the AI is going to perform in real life scenarios. So let me show you. Here I'm in a job flow in CloseBot. Maybe I have made some edits to this. I'm happy with the way it looks and I want to test it here. I can click to open a testing portal and send it a message. Notice that this job flow is connected to this GoHighLevel sub account. When we start a testing session and start to communicate with it, we actually create a test contact in that GoHighLevel sub account. And we do that so that we can test conversational updating of fields, tags if you're using our add tag action, and even conversationally booking appointments, rescheduling, canceling appointments. Let's click to see this test contact. So here I can see that a test contact has been created. And as I'm chatting and updating fields, I'll see those fields get updated here, and I'll even see appointments being booked here on this test contact. So let's jump back to CloseBot. I can see as I'm testing, we have highlights showing what the bot is currently working on. It's currently here at our conversation node, just to sit and be able to answer any questions that come in. And it's listening to see when they want to book with us. And if we detect they want to book, that's where it hops down to do this job, where we're going to gather their name, their address, their email, and then we're going to be checking the distance between the address they gave us and our business address to see if we can service that area. If we can, we'll send them an image of their property and we'll conversationally book an appointment. So let's express some interest in booking. So I can see this has been highlighted. It detects that we need to jump down there. I see that it broke up the message. I see exactly the way it's going to be having the conversation here in the testing portal. And it's going to be working on name, address, and email. I've given it an address, and we can see all the information that it's trying to get by highlighting these boxes and all the information that it's gotten by highlighting over the green boxes. I haven't yet given it the first name and email, so I need to do that here. Let's head back over to the contact. This has been updated to show the first name, the email, and even the address of the property right here. Now let's take a deeper look at what happened from that point. We got all this information. It's checking for the distance and it found that that is within the drive radius of the business. So we sent them an image of their property. Let's do something special here. Imagine I wanted to change how this works and I want to roll this message back. Let's pretend I didn't say that and let's say something different. I could come and change some settings in here if I wanted to, and then run a new test. And then without starting over from scratch, I can see the changes that I implemented and how that affects the new conversation. Makes it much easier to test things quickly instead of having to start over a chat from the very beginning to test something further down in the flow. We can just undo the latest message, make some changes, and test again. So the next thing it's going to be working on is conversational booking. See the flow it's taken so far. We detected they want to book. It's gotten their name, address, email, distance, qualification from our business address. We determined it's within the allotted distance, so it went this path. And now we're here on the conversational booking. Let's go ahead and confirm a time based on the time it gave us. And I can see that it successfully booked that appointment for us. Now, coming in here within GoHighLevel, I can see that that appointment has been created for that time. This is something that no other system can do. The ability to conversationally test a contact exactly the way it would work in production is an extreme superpower of CloseBot. The ability to undo messages, make some changes, and then try again is where CloseBot really shines in the testing portal. We can take this a step further. Imagine I'm liking the changes that I made, so I click publish. Then in production, I'm finding that actually I don't like the changes that I just made. I can easily click here and roll back to a previous published version very quickly. With other systems, you have to remember the changes you made, go back and roll back those changes manually. With CloseBot, we keep the versions for you and allow you to roll back whenever you need. We also have the ability to undo changes here. All of this stuff really makes a difference for you and your businesses. So if you're looking for a system that's not only the top tier quality in AI text responder, lead qualification and booking, but also something that makes it much easier for you to test and deploy AI agents for lead qualification that you trust, CloseBot is the one for you. Check it out with a 7-day free trial, free account, and loads of amazing features that I haven't gone into here.